Meaning of Dark Ages.
Dark Ages.
Dark Ages.
Dark Ages.
Dark Ages. The term Dark Ages generally refers to the period of European history from the fall of the Western Roman Empire in 476 AD until the beginning of the High Middle Ages in the 11th century. This period is often characterized as one of decline, instability, and cultural regression. It was marked by the collapse of central government, a decline in trade and population, and the loss of many ancient knowledge and technologies. However, it also saw the emergence of new cultural, social, and political forms that laid the groundwork for the medieval period and beyond.